Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how you can take a screenshot on Picsart. If you ever want to take a screenshot of your project or your Picsart account, then you will need to use your device's built-in screenshot function. Simply go ahead and open up your Picsart application and get to the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. If you're using Android device, you can simply press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously and hold for a second until you see the screen flash or hear a shutter sound. On your iPhone, go ahead and press the side power button and the volume up button and you will be able to take a screenshot. The screen flashes and a thumbnail of this screenshot appears in the corner, and that is the only way you will be able to take a screenshot on your Picsart account. Once the screenshot is taken, it will be saved to your device's gallery or Photos app depending upon your device's setting. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.